Hello friends, welcome back. We will continue with the next set of 5 questions for the natural language processing interview readiness. What is TF-IDF? TF-IDF is expanded as term frequency inverse document frequency. It's a technique used to measure the importance of a word in a document relative to a collection of documents. It actually is a combination of two values. First is TF, the term frequency. How often a word appears in the document is reflected by this TF. IDF, inverse document frequency, how unique or rare the word is across all the documents is proposed through this. So together, TF-IDF helps identify words that are both common in a specific document and uncommon in a broader document set, making them more significant for the analysis. It's a very important question. So remember, term frequency, inverse document frequency. What are the two major differences between NLP and conversational interfaces? NLP focuses primarily on enabling computers to understand and process human language, which can be text analysis, sentiment analysis, language translation, etc. Conversational interfaces on the other side specifically is all about designing interfaces that allow users to interact with machines using natural language, which can be like chatbots or virtual assistants, and facilitating dialogue-based interactions. Next question, how is machine translation performed? Machine translation is an interesting task where it is using algorithms and models to automatically translate text from one to another. These systems analyze the input text, will break it down to smaller units like the tokens, words, or phrases, and then generate the corresponding text in the target language, which can be done through predefined rules or statistical models learned from the vast amount of bilingual text data. So this is a process and it has to be followed. Why is ethics so important in NLP? Ethics is very crucial not only in NLP but on the whole with the AI. NLP technologies can impact individuals and society in very big significant ways. You have to ensure the ethical practices which can help mitigating the biases, which can ensure fairness in the algorithmic decisions and to protect privacy. Ethics is very, very important. Also, ethics promote the responsible usage of language data, and particularly when you are using data with the applications which are similar to surveillance, healthcare, and law enforcement. Ethics is so very important and hence it cannot be compromised. What are the ethical parameters one should consider while developing NLP applications? First and foremost, bias and fairness. You must address the bias in the data and algorithms to ensure fair treatment across different demographic groups. The next is privacy, where safeguarding the user data and respecting confidentiality is very, very important. Transparency is to be ensured, and the decision-making process of the algorithms should be understandable and explainable to the users. Also, accountability should be strongly established. Obtaining informed consent from the users when collecting the data is definitely to be followed. Protecting systems and data against unauthorized access or breaches or misuse is so very important. The social impact is to be considered, and considering the broader societal implications of NLP applications in terms of employment, inequality, and cultural diversity is very, very important. Finally, user empowerment. You have to design NLP applications that empowers users by providing them with control over their data and insights into how it's used. That's it. We completed 5 questions for the session. We'll come back with next 5 important questions in NLP interview learning. Thank you very much.